Hello folks, I'm going to teach you guys how to draw any polygon within a given circle. And this method is called the general method. So this is actually a general method for constructing any polygon in a given circle. And this polygon, you will recall that polygon is basically a figure with a number of sides, right? So now, in this method, first of all, you need to have your circle. Let's draw the circle of any sufficient radius. You can choose any radius of your choice. So let me have a circle. Let's be big enough. So we'll make it a big enough circle. There we go. So now this is a circle. So this is the center of the circle. So in this case, let's just construct a let's construct a heptagon on this circle. So you need to draw the given circle and divide the diameter AB into the same number of equal parts as the required polygon has. So now this is the diameter. Yeah. Let's draw a diameter here. So because we need to draw a heptagon, so we're going to divide the diagonal into 7 parts. So let's draw a line at an angle to this line and divide that line into 7 parts. So let me use a 7 centimeter line. That's 1. It's divided into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's join the last division to the other end of the diagonal. Then we'll draw lines at parallel to this final line that is at the other end of the diagonal. So that will be, so each of these lines will pass through the divisions, so all the second divisions. So this is how to divide a line into a number of parts from a line at an angle to that initial line. So how is it? So here we go. Finally. Now, as you can see, this line has been divided into 7 equal parts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the next stage is with centers A and B in turn and radius AB, draw arcs to intersect at C. So let this be A and B. So this is diagonal AB. Now with center A and B in turn, we are going to use them in turn, and we are going to draw an arc above the circle. So these arcs will intersect each other at C. So this is first arc at A. Let's go to B and draw another arc. Now you can see that this arc are intersecting at, let's call this C. Now the next step is to draw a line from C through 2 to touch the circle at D. So I'll draw a line from C through number 2, the second division. So this is the first division, actually this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, and this is sixth, and this is seventh. So I'll draw a line through C to the second division to touch the circle at E. At D. So the next step is to step AD around the circle to obtain the size of the polygon. So I will just step AD around the circle. So open your compass to AD, and then you continuously step that off the circle. So step it again. So because we are looking for how we can get a 7-sided figure. So normally when you do it correctly, you are going to return to A. So you can see that we're back at A, which means this is accurate. So the next thing is to join the divisions, the steppings. So I will join the stepping from A to D, join the stepping from D to the next one. So from the next one, so just join the steppings of the circle. Join this, join this, join this, join this. So here we go. This is how to draw a polygon of any given size. So if we were to draw an octagon, can you guess what we'll do? We'll actually divide the diagonal into 8 parts, because an octagon has 8 sides. If it were a decagon, we'll divide the diagonal into 10 parts, and so on and so forth. But this is the general method of constructing a polygon in a given circle.